Hi Group 64, I'm teacher Lady Caterina Ortega. Activity 5, Speaking and Segment. Activity 8. My presentations. My name is Judith Eliana Piña Abella. I am 25 years old. I'm a student environmental engineers. I like the music. I love the animals, especially I like the dogs. Activity B. Present in place. Lagoon of Siscuncí, Sogamoso, Boyacá, Colombia. This forum is very important for me. This forum was a very nice experience in my life. It is high moor located in Oriental Cordillera of Boyacá Department. The vegetation is varied. It is possible to find frailejones, amphibians, and birds like the beautiful condor. Also, it is possible to encamp. In this place, it does cold. Thank you very much. Bye bye.